Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
We're just beginning a history hike, and behind us is the castle of Petit Ringelstein.
If you can see it through the fog. It's not really a castle though, it's more of a proto-castle. It was built in the 11th century and its stones have been used to build Grand Ringelstein, which...
That'll be next week's video. Let's check it out.
Like a crown on a king's head, this oblong enclosure surrounds a small peak at 642 meters altitude. It is definitely an old construction, being built before the year 1000. In the past, people thought it to be a Gallo-Roman construction, though these days it's identified as being medieval, the home of the lords of Ringelstein.
The castle may not seem like much these days, but it is still fairly impressive. The enclosure measures 60 by 20 meters, is surrounded by a moat, and its walls have a thickness of 2 meters. With this eerie fog, it felt like something out of mythology or fantasy, like an ancient abandoned dwarven encampment. The castle of Petit Ringelstein was probably abandoned around the year 1200 when the castle of Grand Ringelstein nearby was built. In fact, Petit Ringelstein functioned as a stone quarry for this later castle. Join us in our next video if you would like to see that. Little is known of the castle of Petit Ringelstein. It functioned as an encampment during the siege of the castle of Hohenstein in the 14th century, as catapult stones were dug up here. For more on the siege of Hohenstein, stay tuned to the History Hikers channel. Let's continue on with the arbitrary subjective castle score. You first.
Me first? I think I'll go for a 4. There is technically more than one wall left, but it's more of the same, it's always the same. You get the feeling that there is a defensive structure here, but that's everything.
I'm gonna say a 5, which is maybe unusual. Don't usually go higher than Jente. But I really like the setting. Very misty, very cloudy. Yeah, and the Elsass, bonus points. We were the History Hikers. Leave your score in the comments.
And otherwise, like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye.